Hey guys, here is Amazon Echo Dot newest model. We're gonna unbox it and show you guys how it looks like. Let's get it. Okay, there we go. There he is, guys. There he is. Alright, there's the cable. And here is the book, the guidebook, how to set it up. Okay, and here is the Echo Dot right here. Alright guys, so here it is. This is how it looks like. Here's the back of it. There is the cable to plug it in. And yeah guys, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like when it sets up. Hey guys, so here it is. Hey Alexa, give me a funny joke.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Ivan. Ivan who? I've another knock, knock joke if you'd like to hear it.
Thank you, Alexa.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
So there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.